In this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing, just come into your Instagram account, and to the rightmost top you'll be having the three lines icon. Click it. Here we will be having account center. Select that. At the bottom we'll be having manage accounts. Click it. Click on manage for the corresponding account which you want to deactivate. So I will just select this. Here we are having the option deactivation or deletion. Select that and make sure that you are checking on deactivate account. Deactivating our account is temporary, and by deactivating our profile will be hidden on Instagram, and to reactivate it you just need to simply log in into your account again. That's it. But deleting your account is permanent. So make sure that you're checking deactivate and click on continue. It's asking for my Instagram password, so just enter it. Next we need to just specify the reason why we are deactivating the account. You can simply check any of these reasons. After that, select continue. We will be getting, before you deactivate, you can just read all this stuff. We'll be having this automatically reactivate your Instagram account. So you can simply click on this drop down. So you can specify the number of days in which your Instagram account will be automatically reactivated. If you don't want that, just check on this don't reactivate automatically, or else you can select the number of days and click on done. That's it. Select continue. And the final step, confirm temporary account deactivation. Our account will be temporarily gone, and to reactivate it, make sure that you are simply signing in into Instagram and your account will be getting back. So just select deactivate account. That's it. You are now logged off. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.